How to get Trello API key. So first you need to go here to trello.com/powerups/admin, and then just click on power ups here, then just click on new. Then of course you need to fill in all of the details here, so let's just fill it in. I'll just name this HowToMastery. As for the workspace, let's just say I want to use the Trello workspace, and then you don't need to do anything about this, don't worry. And then just click on email, of course type in your email. As for the support contact, just type in any email that you want. And then as the author name, just type in your author name that you want to use. And then just click on create, and then just click on generate a new API key, and then click on generate API key. Then as you can see, now you can see all your API key and your secret here as well. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.